For today's property tour, we are going to be touring floor plan Spruce in the community of Opus by Taylor Morrison here in Henderson. Let's go check it out to see if it's a right fit for you. My name is Romero Fragoso. I am a Las Vegas realtor and I specialize in new construction. If this is your first time to my channel, what I do on my channel is I tour all the newest communities here throughout the Las Vegas area to show you what builders are offering so you can decide if the home and community is right for you. If this is something you're interested, subscribe to my channel. Also tap that bell for notification. That way you don't miss any upcoming tours. Buying a new build is exciting, but there is a lot to consider. There's pricing, there's incentives, there's what is included with your home. That's what I'm here for, to help you through the process and to find that perfect home for you. For today's tour, we are in the community of Opus by Taylor Morrison in Henderson, the master plan of Cadence. And in this community, they actually have two different collections. So they have the collection Melanie and Harmony, and each collection has 5 different floor plans. So let me give you some details about this community. So here, like I mentioned, 10 different floor plans here available. They range from 1,856 square feet to up to 2,784 square feet. And they range from 3 to up to 6 bedrooms. And they also have either 2-story, even up to 3-story homes here in this community. Also, this community is located in the southeast of Las Vegas. So you're gonna be about 25 minutes to the strip, you're 20 minutes to the airport, and about 20 minutes to downtown Las Vegas. And average lot size here in this community is around 35 to 4,000 square foot lots. HOA is $75. And what does the HOA include? It has, you have trails, you're gonna have Olympic sized community pools, parks, barbecue areas, dog parks, and much more. Also here, lot premiums, they range from $0 to up to $40,000. So it just kind of depends on the lot you go with. And also for upgrades, you will hear us mention the base price. That is just the base price, guys. So you'd have to add the lot premiums if there is, and also account for any upgrades. So here in this community, I would say about 10 to 15% additional to that base price. And I'll give you a rough idea of the upgrades you go with. Now, let's check out the model home to see if it's the right fit for you. All right, so here we have floor plan Spruce. And this one's a 3-bedroom plus an office space, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,465 square feet, 2-car garage, and base price for this one is $525,900. Let's quickly go around to the sales office and show you the inside of this bad boy. Definitely a lot of noise. As you can see, look at all the construction going on right behind me. I'm actually gonna go here to the front so you can get a real look at how it is actually walking up to this house. Obviously, the sales office would be your 2-car garage. Oh, I do love how it does have covered patio, the front porch right here. Perfect to kind of put a seating area right here or something, be nosy with the neighbors. I'm kidding, guys, I'm kidding. Let's go inside. All right. Now it's a lot quieter. So as soon as you come in, look at this, guys. Go to the second floor. So here you're gonna have the tile flooring. You got the 9-foot ceilings here on the first floor and the second floor, guys. And here off to the right, you have your coat closet, plenty of storage. Check it out. All right, look at this. Got the kitchen, dining, and living area. Also, another thing to keep in mind, guys, this is a model home. So you're gonna notice that a lot of things are upgraded. So like I mentioned, at about 10 to 15% for your upgrades on average, unless you do buy it, you know, a standard home. Here's your living room. And your kitchen. Look, they got some sandwiches for us agents. So they're actually doing a special invite today for agents. So snuck in and wanted to film this tour for you guys. But over here you have your dining area. Then this one has the white cabinets with the black hardwares, guys. Look at that. Really nice. You got the black quartz countertop, got the tile backsplash. Really nice. This. What do you guys think? Then over here, pantry. There's your refrigerator. But I mean, overall, what do you guys think of this floor plan? Let me know in the comments below, guys, what you guys think. Then right over here, before we go to the backyard, let me just show you over here. So here downstairs, you do have, I guess you got a study room, den, office, a gym room, whatever you want to call it. But it's pretty nice that you have, you know, maybe even a toy room. You have the space right here. And that's to your 2-car garage. We won't be checking that out because it is the sales office right now. And over here, you do have your powder room. Let me show you. Actually, open this down here. Look at this. Not too bad. So now let's go check out the backyard. Actually, they unfortunately do have it locked. You can see, not lying. But here, average lot size here is around 3,500 square foot lots to up to around 4,000 square foot lots. So you're probably looking from the back of the house to the back fence, I don't know, about 20 feet or so. That's something to keep in mind, guys. So pretty much the agent did tell me that they're all gonna be pretty similar to what you see in the model home. So that's always good to know, right? Because some builders kind of show you the nice backyards, and then with the giving you, it's half the size. But I do absolutely love that it's a covered back patio, especially here in Las Vegas, guys. I'll tell you what, it's almost like a must to have that back patio. But I mean, here it is, guys. Here's the first floor. Let me know your thoughts, what you guys are first impressions. Would definitely love to hear. So, not too sure if I show you this closet, but just in case, I will show it to you. It's actually locked, so I can't show it to you. So let's go upstairs. Check out the second floor. Do love this entryway, really nice. Okay. Hey guys, so as we head upstairs, I wanted to share something pretty important if you're considering a new build home. So it's super vital to bring me or your trusted realtor along with you to the very first visit with the builder, guys. Because if we're not there from the start, the builder may prevent us from assisting later. So why is it so important? So unlike the builder agent, guys, who are there to protect the builder's best interest, I'm dedicated to you. My role is to ensure you secure the best deal, sidestep any common pitfalls, and protect your interest every step of the way, guys. So if you're like a seasoned realtor by your side, and I hope that is me, I'm kidding, I really do though. Reach out anytime, guys. I will have my contact info on the bottom of your screen. So let's make this exciting journey smooth savvy and fun, guys. So don't hesitate to reach out. So as soon as you come up, guys, let me show you this. Got the loft, really beautiful. And you got like a desk area right here. Definitely digging that. Then, so you got the bedrooms on that side. Then you got the primary right here. But before we check out the primary, let's check out the 2 bedrooms on this side. But before we do, let me show you your laundry room. So obviously, you know, you have a sink and cabinets. Just keep in mind, guys, those are upgrades. So you also notice, guys, so you can have carpet all throughout the second floor, obviously, unless you choose to upgrade. Then you can have tile in your wet areas, such as your bathrooms and your laundry rooms, and even the kitchen area, guys, because if you don't upgrade the tile flooring, you're gonna get carpet all through that bottom first floor. And here is first bedroom. Really nice. This window right here, facing the front. This. Now I mentioned it when I was downstairs, but quick reminder, 9-foot ceilings here on the second floor. Then bedroom number 2. Nice. Then here's your hallway bathroom. So you got the dual vanity. You got the combination tub stand-up shower. And like we always do in my tours, guys, we save the best for last. So now check out the primary bedroom. This. Good size, king size bed, plenty of space on the left and right side. Got 2 windows on that side and a window over here on this side. This window right here facing backyard. Then give you guys a view from this angle. Check out the primary bathroom. Look at this. We got the combination stand up, the bathtub, the dual vanity, white cabinets. And then here off to the left, linen closet. Then right behind me, got your toilet. What do you guys think of this bathroom? Let me know in the comments below. Let me show you this angle. Then last but not least, guys, before I almost forgot, your closet. I know for a lot of people, this is very important how your primary closet is good size. Like a nice little seat right there. Sit down, put your shoes on. All right, guys, well, let me know your thoughts about this floor plan. Does it fit, does it not? Would definitely love to hear it. Also, guys, if you guys have any questions or would like to come check out this floor plan in person, reach out to me. I'll have my contact info below. Give me a call, shoot me a text. And also, guys, do me a huge favor. If you guys enjoyed this property tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. That way you don't miss on any upcoming tours. Till next time, guys.